Can a jeepney driver afford an e-jeep? In his article for the Manila Times titled, "Bad Business is a Bad Basis for a Mass Transit System," Ben Kritz said that, typically on a good day, a jeepney earns between 1,800 pesos to 2,400 pesos, or between $34 to $50. Minus this, the driver must pay daily fuel, which costs from 750 pesos to 900 pesos, or $14 to $17. And if the driver doesn't own the jeepney and works for an operator, he must pay the operator what they call a daily battery fee, ranging from 750 pesos to 1,000 pesos or $14 to $19. This leaves the driver around 300 to 500 pesos or $6 to $14 a day to take home. The proposed modern vehicle cost roughly 1.6 million pesos to be paid over 7 years. So even if the jeepney driver earned a minimum salary wage, this would still be a hefty price if you take into consideration that there may be also a family to feed. Some groups are saying maybe they can repair and rehabilitate or build their own jeepney. But this route, the government feels, is not good for the future of the jeepney industry. Do you want to know more about the jeepney? Click on the link below. Thank you for watching!